When we all were expecting Donald Trump's inauguration to make the market go parabolic and up only, we only got Trump coin to suck the liquidity out of the market. And then, even worse came from China with their release of DeepSeek AI, which ultimately crashed not only AI crypto, but the whole stocks and crypto market. But after yesterday's FOMC meeting and Jerome Powell's statement giving banks a go-ahead for cryptocurrencies, the market has turned into an up-only situation. This is why we're going to talk about 5 of the best altcoins which you can buy right now for easy 2x to 10x, obviously after doing your own research. So let's start with our first one. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has been a cornerstone of the crypto ecosystem for years. Despite the recent market turmoil caused by DeepSeek AI, Ethereum has shown remarkable resilience. The Nasdaq plummeted, with tech giants like Nvidia seeing their stock price nosedive by nearly 18%. Even Bitcoin fell below the psychological $100,000 mark. Yet, Ethereum has managed to weather the storm better than most. Why? Because Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's an entire ecosystem. With the successful transition to proof-of-stake and ongoing scalability improvements, Ethereum is positioning itself for long-term growth. But here's where it gets interesting. Ethereum is no longer alone at the top. Solana, once dubbed the Ethereum killer, is giving Ethereum a run for its money. Trump's decision to launch his meme coin on Solana rather than Ethereum sent shockwaves through the crypto community. Despite this competition, Ethereum remains a solid bet. With its first-mover advantage in smart contracts and DeFi, and after the approval of Ethereum ETFs and Trump's DeFi project, World Liberty Finance buying Ethereum, we could see Ethereum hit $10,000 by the end of 2025. Moving on, our second pick is none other than Solana. So, speaking of Solana, this blockchain has been on an absolute tear lately. Even before the DeepSeek AI crash, Solana was making waves. The launch of Trump's meme coin on Solana sent its price skyrocketing, hitting an all-time high of $294. But it's not just meme coins driving Solana's growth. This blockchain is rapidly becoming the go-to platform for decentralized applications, thanks to its incredible speed and low transaction costs. While Ethereum processes around 15 transactions per second, Solana can handle a whopping 65,000. The real game changer for Solana could be the approval of a Solana ETF. Several firms, including Grayscale, Vanek, and Bitwise, have filed for spot Solana ETFs. If approved, this could unlock massive institutional investment in SOL. Analysts are bullish on Solana's prospects. Some predict SOL could hit $700 in the near future, while others suggest it could increase by 3,000% by 2030. Now at number 3, we have XRP, Ripple's native cryptocurrency, which has had a roller coaster of a year. After its legal victory against the SEC, XRP has been on an upward trajectory. The recent market crash caused by DeepSeek AI has done little to dampen enthusiasm for XRP. As of January 2025, XRP is trading at $3.14, up over 30% this year. But the real excitement is around the potential approval of an XRP ETF. Grayscale has already filed for an XRP ETF, and others are expected to follow suit. The launch of XRP futures ETFs by CME Group, scheduled for February 10, 2025, is seen as a major step towards the approval of a spot XRP ETF. This could open the floodgates for institutional investment in XRP. Moreover, XRP's use case in cross-border payments is more relevant than ever. As global financial systems become increasingly interconnected, XRP's speed and low transaction costs make it an attractive option for banks and financial institutions. Some analysts predict XRP could hit $10 if ETF approvals come through. While this might seem optimistic, it's not out of the realm of possibility given XRP's strong fundamentals and growing adoption. Now let's talk about a lesser-known but incredibly promising project, Griffin AI. This mid-cap gem is at the intersection of 2 of the hottest trends in crypto: artificial intelligence and decentralized finance. Griffin AI is not just riding the AI wave, it's creating it. The project aims to develop a platform where anyone can build, deploy, and monetize AI agents. In a world where DeepSeek AI has shown the power of accessible AI tools, Griffin AI's vision becomes even more relevant. What sets Griffin AI apart is its focus on DeFi, crypto investments, and decentralized governance. By integrating AI with blockchain technology, Griffin AI is tackling crucial DeFi and blockchain challenges. The team behind Griffin AI is impressive. Led by Oliver Feldmeier, a former CEO of a regulated Swiss digital asset platform, the project brings together expertise in blockchain, AI technology, and successful tech company building. While Griffin AI's token isn't yet widely traded, early investors are excited about its potential. As the intersection of AI and blockchain becomes more prominent, projects like Griffin AI could see explosive growth. Last but not least, we have Clearpool, represented by its C-Pool token. Clearpool is at the forefront of the real-world assets (RWA) trend, which is set to be one of the hottest narratives in crypto for 2025. Clearpool is a decentralized capital markets ecosystem built on blockchain technology. It aims to bridge the gap between traditional financial mechanisms and the world of crypto lending, offering solutions for institutional borrowing, yield generation, and compliant liquidity pools. The RWA market has seen explosive growth, expanding from less than $2 billion 3 years ago to approximately $13.7 billion today. Projections suggest it could reach $50 billion by 2025 and potentially $2 trillion by 2030. Clearpool is well positioned to capitalize on this growth. Its platform allows for the tokenization of real-world assets, opening up new possibilities for investors and borrowers alike. The team behind Clearpool is equally impressive. Co-founders Robert Alcorn and Alessio Quaglini bring extensive experience from traditional finance and cryptocurrency projects. While C-Pool's price action hasn't been as dramatic as some of the larger caps, its potential for growth is significant. As RWAs become more integrated into the crypto ecosystem, platforms like Clearpool could see substantial adoption and value appreciation. One of the most intriguing developments in the crypto space is the ongoing battle between Solana and Ethereum. While Ethereum has long been the dominant smart contract platform, Solana is rapidly gaining ground. Solana's advantages are clear. It's faster, cheaper, and more scalable than Ethereum. While Ethereum can process about 15 transactions per second, Solana boasts a staggering 65,000 TPS. However, Ethereum isn't going down without a fight. With its transition to proof-of-stake and ongoing scalability improvements, Ethereum is working hard to maintain its dominance. The imminent approval of Ethereum ETFs could also give ETH a significant boost. The battle between these two giants is far from over, and both could see substantial growth in the coming years. Furthermore, the potential approval of spot ETFs for Solana and XRP could be a game-changer for both cryptocurrencies. ETFs provide a regulated, accessible way for traditional investors to gain exposure to crypto assets. Several firms, including Grayscale, VanEck, and Bitwise, have filed for spot Solana ETFs. If approved, these ETFs could unlock massive institutional investment in Solana. Similarly, the crypto world is buzzing with anticipation for an XRP ETF. Grayscale has already filed for an XRP ETF, and others are expected to follow suit. The crypto market has been on a wild ride, from the anticipation of Trump's inauguration to the shock of the DeepSeek AI crash. But as always, with volatility comes opportunity. Ethereum and Solana continue to battle for supremacy in the smart contract space, while XRP is poised for a comeback with potential ETF approvals on the horizon. Meanwhile, emerging projects like Griffin AI and Clearpool are tapping into the hot AI and RWA narratives, offering exciting growth potential. As Jerome Powell gives banks the green light for cryptocurrencies, we could be on the cusp of a new bull run. While the market remains unpredictable, these 5 altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Griffin AI, and Clearpool, offer compelling investment opportunities for those willing to do their research and take calculated risks. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always do your own research and invest responsibly. The future of crypto is bright, but it's also unpredictable. Stay informed, stay diversified, and enjoy the ride. The crypto landscape is ever evolving, and these 5 altcoins represent just a fraction of the opportunities available. As we move further into 2025, keep an eye on emerging trends like decentralized AI, sustainable blockchain solutions, and the continued integration of crypto with traditional finance. The DeepSeek AI crash has shown us that the market can change rapidly, but it has also highlighted the resilience of well-established projects and the potential of innovative newcomers. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just starting out, remember that knowledge is power,